How long should your furnace really last? This is a question many homeowners in Greenwood Village, Colorado ask once their heating system starts showing its age or struggling during winter. On average, a furnace should last between 15 and 20 years. Gas furnaces typically fall within that range, while electric furnaces can sometimes last longer due to having fewer moving parts. How long a furnace actually lasts depends on system type, how often it runs, and whether maintenance and furnace repair are handled early. In Greenwood Village, furnaces are under heavy demand during long, cold winters. Extended run times and missed maintenance cause systems to wear out faster. Scheduling regular inspections and addressing problems early helps prevent major failures when temperatures drop. If your furnace is over 15 years old, heating unevenly, making unusual noises, or causing higher energy bills, a professional inspection can help determine whether furnace repair is still the right option or if replacement makes more sense.